Are you wondering how to connect Folk CRM with Facebook ads? In this video, we're going to dive into the process and show you step by step how to sync the two so you can leverage both platforms for your marketing efforts. Whether you're new to Folk CRM or Facebook ads, this guide will walk you through how to get everything set up smoothly. Stick around till the end to learn a pro tip that can really optimize your ads. First off, Folk CRM is a powerful tool designed to help businesses build stronger relationships with their customers. It organizes all your customer data in one place, offering features like lead tracking, task management, and team collaboration. It's a robust solution that can scale with your business, and it's perfect for streamlining your sales process. Now, why connect Folk CRM with Facebook ads? Simple. By syncing your CRM with Facebook ads, you can create highly targeted campaigns based on customer data, track ad performance, and even automate follow-ups for leads that come from Facebook. This connection is a game changer for improving your ROI and ensuring that your marketing efforts are more personalized and effective. So, let's jump into the steps for connecting Folk CRM with Facebook ads. The first thing you'll need to do is make sure that your Facebook ads account is set up and running. If you're new to Facebook ads, you'll want to have a Facebook Business Manager account, which lets you manage all your ad campaigns, billing, and analytics. Once that's ready, head over to your Folk CRM dashboard. Next, you'll need to go to the Integrations section in your Folk CRM account. Folk CRM offers seamless integration with Facebook ads, so you just need to click on the Connect button. This will prompt you to log into your Facebook account and grant permission for Folk CRM to access your Facebook ads data. Once you authorize the connection, your Facebook ads account will be linked directly to Folk CRM. Now that the integration is live, the next step is to import your leads. Folk CRM allows you to automatically pull in leads generated from your Facebook ads campaigns. This means every time someone clicks on your ad, their information will be imported into your CRM, giving you the ability to follow up quickly and efficiently. What's really cool here is that Folk CRM also lets you create custom tags for each lead. You can segment your audience based on what they've engaged with in your Facebook ads campaigns. This segmentation is key to sending highly targeted follow-up emails or scheduling specific tasks for your sales team. You'll be able to follow up with your hottest leads immediately, which increases your chances of converting them into customers. As you run more campaigns, you'll want to track the performance of your Facebook ads, and that's where Folk CRM really shines. You can view detailed reports on how your ads are performing within the CRM itself. This data allows you to tweak your strategy, allocate your budget wisely, and ultimately get better results from your Facebook ads. One important thing to note is that you can use this powerful combination completely free from the first link below, where we've partnered up to offer an exclusive bonus for new users. This will give you full access to the CRM's features, so you can dive into this integration without any risk. Before you go, here's a bonus tip. Once your CRM is synced with Facebook ads, you can set up automation to send follow-up messages based on the lead's activity. For example, if a person fills out the lead form on your Facebook ad, you can automatically send them a thank you email or even schedule a call to discuss your product or service. This level of automation takes a lot of the manual work out of your marketing and sales processes. So, in summary, connecting Folk CRM with Facebook ads is a fantastic way to streamline your marketing, improve your customer outreach, and get better results from your ad spend. And remember, I've got an exclusive extended free trial for you down below, so don't miss out on that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.